global business and I factor. Without your I factor involvement of your I orientation. See, my dear friends, today our global business is standing on the edge. A immediate transition is very obvious and visible, and everybody, every entrepreneur, every businessman, every economist, and every global leader are thinking about that. Now, there is an old paradigm of economics of capitalist scientific materialism. If you really want to transit, want to shift your economics, global economics, to a new dimension, then stop asking your country what your country can do for you. Rather, you ask your country what you can do for your country. I will repeat this sentence again. This is the most fundamental basis, most fundamental requirements of the economics of higher consciousness, the business of higher consciousness. I am again repeating this sentence. Don't ask your country what your country can do for you. Rather, ask your country what you can do for your country. This should be slogan. This should be motive. This should be objective of every entrepreneur, every business people of this planet. What we have been doing in our business, our business is very I orientation. This I is very, very dangerous, very, very dangerous. It is my life, it is my business, it is my family, it is my brand. Everywhere is I. This I has to be chopped off, cut off. In the higher consciousness of global economics, in global business, there will be no I. Higher consciousness, realm of transcendental dimension, never allow I to intervene in between. what we are doing. In the capitalist business of scientific materialism, all the entrepreneur, all the business people seek maximizing profit. Their main objective is to maximize profit, but it should be the secondary. It should be the secondary, not primary. Apart from profit maximizing, there should be another 4 dimension. And among the 4, the main 2 dimension is very fundamental. Higher meaning processing in your business. Again, I am striking this sentence: higher meaning processing in your business. Fulfillment of your subtle need. This is the second. Minimum this to be included in your business. Otherwise, I am assuring you, in the near future, your business will be collapsed. I am assuring you from my perception. I have told you again and again, relentlessly, I am trying to convey the message to our global leaders and to our beloved economists and to our beloved students of business administration, that apart from that physicality, apart from that economics of physicality, there are other 4 dimensions. There are other 4 bodies. Modern physics, modern quantum physics, modern particle physics has approved and experimented and explored these other 4 dimensions of human existence. But that other 4 dimension of human existence is totally overlooked due to ignorance or due to procrastination, due to apathy, many reasons, due to status quo, social status quo. My dear friends, it is never too late. Now you have to include that other 4 dimension. Otherwise, you will be not anywhere in the future business scenario. More future generation will not tolerate you with your old dogma, with your old status quo, with your old profit maximizing motive. That is my request. That is my appeal. Prevention is better than cure. Now we have to wake up. We have to responsive to the demand of change. Two, only two you have to include: higher meaning procession of your subtle body, and then fulfillment of subtle dimension. Now I am just elaborating it in a very short and sweet way. I am telling. Whenever we are doing our business, very short and sweet and very simple way, I am telling you. When we are doing our business, what we do, whether objective or subjective business, whether you are producing some, manufacturing some material, or you are producing some subjective analysis, whatever the business, maybe subjective, objective, anything. First you are telling, this my channel is the number one channel. My channel. Again your eye is interfering. Again your eye is interfering. My channel is number one channel. My brand is the number one brand. Every time you are advertising your product in this way, I am doing maximum good to the people. Again I is coming. Again I is coming. But at the deeper realm, you know what you are doing. The businessman, all the intellectual businessman, all the intellectual economists, all the intellectual global leaders, you are trying to manipulate with the power of your intellectual mind. Whom you are manipulating, whom you are cheating. Your right hand cheating the left hand. This is the ultimate analysis of the modern physics of consciousness. When you are manipulating your customers by the exercise, by the practice of your branding, by your advertising, then you are cheating your client, your customers in a very, very intellectual way. What do you think? They don't understand? Maybe you are attracting them. Maybe you are in a monopoly state in the market. Maybe your business is making the monopoly game in the market. Maybe for the time being you are standing on the shoulder of your customer, but sublimely in the consciousness fabric, they know everything. Existence knows everything. Existence plays its own game. And this is the situation. The economics failures, economics bust, economics recession, economics depression, pandemic strike, all this play of the invisible hand of the Adam Smith. Intellectual mind cannot perceive it. Understand, my dear brothers and sisters of global entrepreneur world, global business world. Actually, you are playing a numero uno in a zero game, zero sum game. Numero uno in a zero sum game. Business administrative students, economists can understand my word. Numero uno. I am the main fundamental. Without me, without I, my business will be collapsed. That is the numero uno. That is your ego. Without you, your business will be collapsed. How do you think? And zero-sum game plan of the present economic structure. Every branding, every entrepreneur makes their brand in a zero-sum game plan. How intellectual you are. That kind of intellectual idealism cannot survive in the level of higher consciousness. Zero-sum game plan. What is zero-sum game plan? I am telling you. You are trying to overtake the others. You will make huge profit. Defeating the others. When you are making big profit, then somebody will lose. Other company will be defeated. Other business branding will be collapsed. I know no entrepreneur, no businessman can speak that way. Yeah, I am making my brand, I am making everything so that other can collapse. Other cannot survive the competition. I will win the race. That motive is not going to survive. That is the old strategy, and that is the only responsible factor for repeated boom and bust cycle of the business. Boom and bust phase of the business cycle. This is the only factor responsible for repeated economic depression and recession, and this is the only responsible for the failures of big business house. Numero uno in a zero-sum game plan. So, my dear brothers and sisters of global entrepreneur world and global business house, I would like to request and appeal you, if you want to contribute something for your country, then discard the methods of numero uno in a zero sum game plan. Next, in your business, you must be disappear from your business. How? Every time you are telling it is my business, it is that business, it is my product, it is my brand. No. Don't think that. Instead of I, it is we. In the business of consciousness, in the business of higher consciousness, there is no I, there is we. You have to disappear yourself in your business. You have to disappear in your business. And if you can do so, then your business will be appeared everywhere. I am telling you, after long-standing research, I am not telling you from the surface value of business. Yes, profit maximizing should be there, but at the deeper realm of heart, your main objective should be for the well-being, for your fellow countrymen, for your fellow citizens, for your fellow motherland, for the global people. That kind of sentiment, emotion processing should be there in your heart. Then you don't need any kind of branding, false branding. That is the story of the past. Then you don't need of any kind of promising. Don't need to promise the people. You just start thinking from the deeper realm of heart, by our business, by our strategy, by our policies. We will do something good for the welfare of my clients, from my countrymen. See, now I am telling you why you will do all those things, why you will do. What is the scientific basis? What I am telling you, there are some scientific basis. There are some scientific investigation conducted for last 60 years. Now it is coming by highlighting. Now it is coming to the forefront. Why you will do? Why you have to disappear? Why you have to cut your eye from the front line? Why? I am telling you. When you are transcending yourself from the downgrade consciousness to upgrade consciousness, when you are upgrading your consciousness, when you are transcending you, yourself and your business to one step up at the transcendental level of consciousness, at the junction point of higher consciousness. Now listen very attentively, very peacefully. That is the high point to be noted. On the transcendental level of consciousness, everything is there. Your infinite referrals are there. How much money you invest in the BNI, there are so many organizations. You just go and invest money, taking the membership for the referrals, no? But in the higher realm of consciousness, not I am telling you to go up to the last level, 7th grade. I am not telling. I am telling you the junction point of animal consciousness and higher consciousness. Junction point, the transcendental level, the 4th dimension. If you establish your business to that level, then you don't need any kind of referrals from any organization, from any clubs, from any groups. You don't need. There are infinite number of referrals waiting for your business. Then in your business, what do you want to do? You want to correlate your business to your client, to other organization. You are collaborating with one another. Very good. Very fantastic. But on the higher level, in the transcendental level of consciousness, there is infinite correlation power. That higher consciousness then start intervening in your business. Everything will start happening on its own in your business. That is the most beautiful understanding of modern physics, practical physics. Now I am not telling any dogma or philosophy of Eastern mystics. I don't believe in any kind of dogma or philosophy myself. So I am not going to tell you any kind of dogma or philosophy of the Eastern mystic. I am telling you the wonderful revelation of non-local dimension of consciousness, non-local dimension of modern physics of consciousness. The first, you will get infinite correlation, you will get infinite referral systems, referrals. Then what do you need apart from that? You need resources. You need resources in the 4th grade, in the 4th dimension of consciousness. There are infinite range of resources which our planet cannot exploit or finish for billions of years. If the entire planet, our mother planet, our globe, start using that resource from now, cannot finish for billions of years. Infinite range of resources are there. Don't ask how. Don't ask how. how is not in your hand. You cannot understand how because you are trapped in a very low grade consciousness, animal consciousness of 3 dimensions: sleeping, waking, and dreaming. In that 3 level of consciousness, your life is surviving. When you understand, when you elevate, when you upgrade, when you transcend that 4th dimension, you can see the wonderful scientific zone of infinite possibilities, non-local dimension of infinite possibilities. Everything already there, everything in a possibilities zone. But it is there only in the realm of possibilities because nobody is there for downward causation. Downward causation. I am telling you the term, the word used by modern physicists. Downward causation. अरे क्या छोटा छोटा रिसोर्स तो सब फिनिश हो गया भाई. Our planet is in total scarcity. There is scarcity of resources. Resources are not there. We have all exploited with our selfish motive. क्यों हम लोग मारामारी कर रहे हैं? Why we are fighting with each other for the limited resources of this planet? All that gone already, exploited with our selfish motive. Do something for the future generation of the present and the present generation. Do something for the present generation as well as for the future generation. Infinite possibilities are there. Why you are not bringing them down? Downward causation. That is why I am telling you downward causation in the term of modern physics. When you transcend yourself, when your very subtle mind interfere with the higher consciousness, then higher consciousness gives you everything in a very scientific way. It can give you anything which cannot even imagine, you cannot even calculate, you cannot even logically interpret by your limited intellectual mind. So my dear friends, now this is the time. The world is going to be changed. The scenario of world business is going to be changed. If you want to participate in this changing scenario of business world, you have to follow the modern physics of consciousness, the non-locality of higher consciousness. And let the higher consciousness intervene in your business. Very big subject. I am not going to elaborate it anymore because time is not permitting me. Now, again, I am appealing to my brothers and sisters of World Economist Group, World leaders, world governments understand what I am telling you and understand what I am assuring you and join hands with us and let us stand unitedly to bring a overall clear perspective and growth and stabilization, permanent stabilization in our economics, in our business, for the fulfillment of the for all the five dimensions of our own existence. So just join hands. This is my only appeal. Just spread your hands and help us to bring a permanent peace and stability in our planet. Thank you. Namaste. See you soon.